Good morning, everyone. This is a simple test of the PLLs and the clocking wizard in Vivado. I'm measuring 200 MHz signal, which is just an arbitrary value, coming directly from my SP701. And for this test, I'm using one of the P modes, to be more precise, pin number 1, for the clock signal as a clock pin, and of course ground pin. So cable is going directly from the development board into my oscilloscope, and I'm measuring very stable and very accurate 200 MHz signal. I'm quite pleased with the setup, stability and ease of use. Next, we will try to set up all the other required clock signals for Minimic.